Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and taking immediate action. Check Git is installed and your user. Name and user. Email are set so commits attribute correctly. Once verified, clone the remote repository or initialize one in your project folder and inspect the file tree. Create a descriptive branch for your work right away. This isolates changes and keeps main stable. Make your first focused edits and stage them. Commit with a clear message, so your history is meaningful for everyone. Once your branch exists, work iteratively. Make small changes, run tests and linters, then stage and commit frequently so each logical step is recorded. Before pushing, synchronize with the remote to avoid surprises by fetching and rebasing or merging the main branch. Rebasing keeps a linear history, merging preserves context. Choose one consistently. If conflicts appear, resolve them thoughtfully, run tests again, and update docs or change logs. When everything passes locally, push your branch and open a pull request describing the why, not just the what. You finalize by getting reviews and iterating on feedback until reviewers approve. Make changes on the branch and explain why each update matters. Once approved, merge the pull request following the repository's policy. Use a merge commit, squash, or rebase as required, and confirm CI passes. After merge, delete the branch to reduce clutter, pull the updated main, and create a release tag if needed. If something breaks, run git bisect to find the faulty commit quickly. This single trick often saves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.